Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be doing today's presentation. You can find me on LinkedIn and Twitter and StockTwits. Do tweet a lot on artificial intelligence and cloud charts on these social media platforms. Today we're going to look at the FTSE350 and we're going to run the AI software through the FTSE350 index constituents, and we're going to apply 4 different artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. We use the Fulgent AI, which runs on the Metastock platform. And for those of you that are somewhat new to AI, the big picture, tip of the iceberg explanation is, if you can imagine all the technical indicators, let's say on the Metastock platform, there's quite a lot of them, and you run multiple different combinations of these technical indicators. The AI basically does 10 to the power of 200 different combinations of indicators and market relationships. So somewhat a job impossible for a human to do. So you can see already AI leading the way there in terms of finding high probability trades. Now, in the Fulgent AI running on the Metastock platform, we use neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic, among other things, to identify high probability trades. Now, the way this works really is, let's say you've got one of my favorite indicators, MACD, stochastics, momentum. So let's say I have 3 of these technical indicators that work very well. And now I ask the AI, go and look at all the other technical indicators available and find high probability trades. So go and test each one. Test that one with all the others and change the setting, test again, change the setting, test again, and then go and, once you've optimized that one, go to the next one and look at that one, then change the setting and retest, and retest, and on it goes. 10 to the power of 200 at least type recurring tests. And then the end result is the AI has discovered a few high probability trading strategies using all available technical indicators, and they might include more than 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or many different types sub-indicators to come up with these high probability trades. So this is basically how genetic algorithms work, and in the testing stage of the analysis. And that brings us back to these 4 Fulgent AI strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. So these are the ones we use. Now, the major market reversal is where we look for oversold conditions and other cross-market relationships, which will give you an idea of a strong move. Classic swing trades is the reversion of the mean type trade. The AI also generates a stop for these type swing trades. Volatility breakouts is where potential moves indicated by unusually high volatility in the direction of the breakout. So also a very nice contrarian type trade to do, ideal for options trading or spread betting or contract for differences, CFDs. 3-day moves, swing trade, ideal for options or spread betting or CFDs. You trade 3 bars entry. The signal comes and 3 days later you're out of the trade. So this is like a holding period of 3 days, so to speak. And yeah, let's jump straight into the Metastock platform, looking at the FTSE350 index constituents using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Got the Metastock platform open. I select the Fulgent AI in the Expert Advisor Strategy section. You can see Metastock's got a whole lot of other trading strategies in there, but for today we're going to focus only on the artificial intelligence engine. I've also selected the FTSE350 stocks. I start the exploration. It does take a couple of minutes, 8 minutes 39 seconds for the AI to run through the entire FTSE350. There's 234 rejects, which means there aren't any recent signals, but we can review some of these. I know 888 had a fantastic run. That's one of the top performing stocks. But the most recent ones, I've got the software open here. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So what we now know is we have in long, in short. This is if there's any a 1 in there, it means this is where the AI is in a long, and if there's a 1 there, this means the AI is in a short. Don't think there's any shorts in the column, no shorts whatsoever. Yeah. Okay, so these are all longs. Bars tells you how old the trade is, how many bars into the trade, 21 days, trading days 11, 26. So we'll sort this column a little bit later. Hits. This means the 200 times in the testing period. This particular strategy 104, which is a classic swing trade, occurred 200 times with 75% accuracy with 5.8% as the average return over the testing period. So that's quite a powerful return, quite a good return, considering it's 75% accurate. And then we have the AI ID there, 104. And these codes are all similar to ones I mentioned earlier in the presentation. So we're going to sort this from bars, most recent. So the hottest and freshest trades here are AJ Bell. Just going to minimize this now. You can see there's a swing trade opportunity there, fresh signal. We can see some of the other swing trade volatility and swing trade strategies brought some fantastic trades here. You can see there's a trailing stop loss, quick move, volatility breakout. The AI gives you an early warning signal. It might be time to take some profit off the table. Major reversal there, volatility breakout. And you don't always have to sell out when the AI generates a sell signal. It's just more indication that maybe the rally is over with reference to that particular AI strategy. So there's a swing trade opportunity here in AJ Bell, Avast. Let's see what this one looks like. It gave a short there, swing trade there, volatility breakout there. So there's been some nice trades there, both long and short. But back here in March, huge move. The AI did adjust the volatility, the trailing stop loss automatically, and then eventually hit there. Another quick swing trade, volatility, huge move. Some of the signals are early, so you have 2 or 3 days to get into a particular trade. And so you can see that one also worked very well. Interpub parts. INPP. So this ticker, that's the INPP.L ticker. Huge volatility breakout, quite a very major stop loss. This is still in a long trade, and this might be now a recent signal there. Lancashire. Major reversal expected, so there's a potential for a swing trade back up to 770, so that's definitely worth adding to the watch list. Sabre Insurance. Nice volatility, swing trade, so there's a couple of days of swing trade possibility in this one. As you can see, quick move swing trade works quite well. Don't know why this stock's in here, but no. The CCH, okay, CCH, yeah. Quick move here, huge captured, huge move, quick move to the downside. Now there's a swing trade to the upside. Experian. Major reversal expected in Experian, so there's some upside potential there. Games Workshop. Major reversal expected there. So this is just how you go through the list, run the scan, find the top ones. These are fresh trades, and I'm going to go through some of the more older ones in the list and some of the more familiar stocks. Let's sort by there's TalkSpin. Let's see how this one's been. 155 days into a trade. You can see that's also solid move there. Not a lot of movement recently, but still August, May, major reversal, caught this trade and it's back up there. If I go over another couple interesting one. Babcock International is a familiar name. Can also see swing trade there, nice move there. Virgin Money, 21 days into a trade. See that? Oh, that one's worked out beautifully. You can see the trailing stop loss. The AI adds the trailing stop loss as we go along to the upside, so that one works well. Barclays. Let's have a look at the banks. Barclays. This is 20 days into a trade. You can see beautiful major reversal October, huge rally, took profit, another swing trade, huge rally. So that one worked out very well. 20 days into a trade there. Rolls-Royce Holdings. Interesting to see how this one pans out. Swing trade there to the upside. The AI's moved the stop loss up, so that's also still in a trade. Hsbc Holdings, another bank, 18 days into a trade. You can see back in October, nice move up. November rally, another swing trade, stop losses added automatically, so we have a nice rally in that HSBC. Some of the RDSB, rolled out shell. We can see a nice quick move here, huge move, captured a nice move, another nice swing trade move to capture. 16 days into a trade. Is there anything? Man Group, trying to find. So of the rejects, let's just go and check 888 Holdings, because this one had a nice, captured a really nice rally. It's been one of the star performers for quite some time. You can see back here, volatility breakout back in March and just kept on going. And eventually the AI took profits out of the system here. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months of a fantastic rally all the way from 60p to 270. So that was a nice trade. I think Anglo American rolled out Shell also. Rio Tinto recently also generated a nice signal. You can see a volatility breakout captured this huge move, so we caught some nice moves there. And let's just go to the last one there. I want to cover another one. BHP. You can also see a nice move, caught a nice move here in December, January. So fantastic move, even among the miners, did perform very, very well. But this is the most recent list. I'll just maximize this, gives you an idea. We sort these from bars, older, latest trades to oldest trades, and that's the list so far. So these are the stocks to trade using artificial intelligence. If anybody's interested in getting your hands on your own AI, you can go to metastock.com/alphaharvest341 or metastock.com/alphaharvestf if you already have the Metastock platform. But if you're looking new to Metastock and the AI, go to this address. Be sure to mention AlphaHarvestF in the promo code, and to sign up to get your 3-for-1 special 3 months deal for the price of 1 on the Metastock and Fulgent AI platform. And this is the way just to incorporate artificial intelligence in your trading. So as for the FTSE350 list, this is the list, and ranked by most recent signals to older signals, and these are the ones just to keep an eye on. Until next time, happy AI trading.